The Emoji Movie, highly critiqued and said to be one of the worst movies to be ever made, clocking in at a whopping 8% freshness on Rotten Tomatoes. But what you don't know is that it is one of the most mathematic movies of all time. Let's take a look at one of the characters, Hi-5. He's a hand emoji. But we don't know he's an excellent example of domain in Algebra 2. As you can see here, he has 4 fingers up right now. If you draw a line from the top of the middle finger to the bottom of the pinky, it makes a line segment. Now, we gotta plug the line into a graph. Now, as you see here, so the line segment starts at -2, -1, and ends approximately at 4.5, 1.5. Now that accounts the x and y coordinates, but domain just focuses on, well, the x coordinates. Domain is the x values that gives output to real y values. So in this example, -2 to +4.5 is our domain. And you would write it as -2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 4.5. Now, if you look at this poster of the Emoji Movie, you can see Gene the emoji, the protagonist, smiling. What does a smile shape remind you of? A parabola. And parabolas are very interesting when it comes to domain. And I'll explain why now. The thing with domain with parabolas is that it goes on infinitely on both sides of the x-axis. So technically, with domain on a parabola, you go all real numbers because there's no limit to the domain for parabolas.
My name is Gene, and I'm supposed to be a meh. You know, like meh, who cares? But my problem is, I have more than one emotion.